Hi, my name's Jamie. I'm a painter. This is some of my work here. And you can find all this work and more in my first collection. It's called Full Time. It's 82 full color pages available from my website. And why don't we take a little look and see what's inside. So this is the book here. It is published by Lulu out of North Carolina. It's a paperback, I guess you'd call it, or softback. All full color, 82 pages. It's got a little bit of text where I try to describe the thought behind the book and the work inside of it. But it's not a lot of reading. Then we dive right into the art. And the work presented is loosely chronological, beginning with the work I started in July of 2016 and will end with December of 2017. This was an 18-month period where I focused full-time on making art. I didn't have a 9-to-5 job, and I just focused on painting 8 or 10 hours a day sometimes. And all of the work that I created during that time is in this collection. You can kind of see an evolution as it goes through here. As I said, it's chronological. You can see me trying different things, holding on to certain things that I felt was working, and you can see other things sort of fade into the background as you go through. And then we end with Moo from December of 2017. So that's my book Full Time. And you can find it from my website, www.outsidedreamguideart.com. And it'll link. You can link right to my Lulu shop from there and buy the book. And I hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you for your support.